Students, today I am explaining you the method of passing the journal entries related to debentures. As already I have explained you the method of passing the journal entries related to shares, a very little difference is there in between the journal entries to be passed related to debentures and which were passed related to shares. Okay, let us see the difference. In the chapter issue of shares related to company accounts, on receipt of application money, we used to pass the journal entry bank account debit to equity share application account. Now let us see what is the difference in between the receipt of application money journal entry related to share and debenture. The only difference I have highlighted here, see, shares. In place of shares, we need to write debentures. ठीक है, right? See the journal entry on receipt of application money related to debentures. On receipt of application money related to debentures. Bank account debit to 10% debenture application account. Okay, you are seeing the difference. In place of shares, what I have written? Debentures. Okay, right? 10% is the interest rate carried on by the debentures. Okay, and that interest rate is to be written as a prefix. As a prefix, we need to write the interest carried on by the debentures. Okay, right. Now, moving back to the chapter shares, when we need to transfer the application money to share capital, then the journal entry which we pass was share application account debit to share capital account, right? In place of share, what we need to write? Debentures. Okay, X% debentures. ठीक है, X% may be 8%, 9%, means the interest rate carried on by the debentures. Okay, see the journal entry related to debentures. 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debentures. ठीक है, in place of debentures, वो in place of shares what we have written? Debentures. ठीक है, 10% debentures in place of shares. Okay, in place of share. Rest journal entry is same. ठीक है, share is replaced by debenture. Okay. 2. On the credit side, to share capital is written. In place of share capital, what we need to write? X% debentures. X% debentures. See here. X% debentures. X% means the interest rate. In place of X%, you need to write the interest carried on by debentures. Okay. So two differences are there. Wherever you will see the term shares, in place of that term you need to write what? Debenture. You need to write debenture. And when you see share capital in the journal entry, then in place of share capital what you need to replace? You need to replace share capital by the term 10% debentures. Only this is the difference in between the journal entries of shares and debentures. Okay, right? See, as a note I have written here, note 1, share application. See here, share application. ठीक, share application replaced by X% debenture application. This is share application in the very first journal entry. It has to be replaced by 10% debentures. Okay, right? And in place of share capital in the second note, what we need to write? X% debentures. X% debenture. X% means 10% debentures. Okay, in place of X% you need to write what? Interest rate carried on by the debentures. Okay, right? Now, on the basis of these journal entry, likewise we did in the chapter shares, issue of shares, we need to replace the word application. ठीक है, replace the word application with the preceding installment's name, right? After application, the next installment is allotment. ठीक है, right? When we will pass the journal entry related to allotment due, then in place of application what we need to write? Allotment only. ठीक है, see, on making allotment due, 10% debenture. In place of application, what I have written here? Allotment. In place of application, the term to be used is allotment. Okay, allotment, right? Rest journal entry will remain same. Now when you need to receive the amount of allotment, ठीक है, see, when we received the application money, we wrote bank account debit to 10% debenture application. In place of application, what you need to write? Allotment. Okay, bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment. See, bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. ठीक है, in the similar way, preceding installment will be first call. In place of allotment, what you need to write? First call. In place of allotment, you need to write first call, right? When you need to just pass the journal entry related to final call, then you have to replace the word allotment with the word final call. Okay, means these two very first two journal entries you should know. ठीक है, either you cram them, learn them, ठीक है, right? Because these two journal entries will form the basis of the preceding installment journal entries. Okay, right? Learn these two journal entries related to receipt of application money and transfer of application money to debentures account. Okay, right? And keep in mind, whatever formula we used in the chapter shares, the same formula will be followed here in order to write the amount in front of these journal entries in the amount column. Okay, write the same formula as we used in issue of shares. Applied multiply by calling value will be the formula in order to calculate the amount of share application, equity share application. Okay, bank account debit to equity share application, the amount to be written in front of this journal entry will be calculated on the basis of this formula, applied multiply by calling value. ठीक है, in front of share application, applied multiply by calling value, that is applied shares multiply by calling value. In front of share capital, we need to just use the formula allotted shares multiply by face value. ठीक है, right? The same formula will be used in the debentures, applied multiply by calling value, allotted multiply by face value. Okay, ठीक है, only two differences were there in between the chapter shares and debentures. These two differences I have already told you. ठीक है, learn these two differences. Okay, right.